Hey, so we're out camping.
We're sober, by the way. We're very sober.
No liquor.
But we're hungry.
If I can take some of these weeds to add to my plate.
Do it afterwards, not now. Because I know you'll start reaching out the window.
You see, we're in the middle of nowhere.
Yep. Literal just bush.
There's all black people too, so we don't, it's not like which black person died first.
Girl, I'm not driving back with you now.
I can't see anything. All I see is bush.
Oh, that is very true. Car sound like you're getting an undercarriage clean, man.
Thank you.
Just in case.
Fail. We're just going down. Boom.
Why are you so pessimistic? Oh my goodness, golly gracious.
Oops. Are good?
Yeah, sure. That don't sound good.
That's alright. The car been through more than that.
Good to know.
I've hit stuff that I don't know what I've hit.
Oh dear.
Oh,
That's not very reassuring to me as a passenger.
oh sorry. Oh, I haven't killed anyone.
You have your whole house with you. It's for decor.
Just gonna put our meat on it
Yes.
and put it back.
As in for serving, for sitting, like what kind of decor we're talking
To
about?
put my lamp on it or my
Your lamp?
yeah, I have a
You
lamp,
just your lantern.
fairy lights that could go on it. I have my things.
Alright. It's stove?
The stove.
I'm asking.
Yes.
Alright.
My stove.
Alright. My girl is ready? Yeah. Put it where the spare tire for go. Exactly. Many bushes to cross. Right, so
I have here
uh-huh.
and you have
If I can fit, Lord help
can
me.
fit.
Okay. So watch out, the whole tent will come down family. Oh gosh.
This is comfy. Although if they're coming to kill us,
You look very comfy though.
I getting killed first down.
Yes,
Come on,
yes.
come over here.
Yes, I would.
Say that again?
If they come to kill us, I am the first to go.
Yep, so she wants to switch places.
You guys are comfortable?
Very.
I wonder where I will sit tonight.
Do I look like I drink drugs?
Yeah, that middle ribbon, just tie them together at the top, so them stay together. I guess you never done this before with this tent.
I have. I did it with a 2-bedroom tent, a way bigger tent.
Nah, but we have sponge. But the sponge look like it can share. Claim your side, yes?
You see, because she will roll off and I won't.
The man is set.
Yes, you know. Yes.
Cool, you can get that like you know, want some Mega Mart?
All the way a Mega Mart.
But
That not really enough. Expensive people cool, but yeah, we can get that.
I guess that's what it is.
We not say, they don't know where down like down in the town.
Right?
No, we don't live here on there, so.
That's you know, like what I could have still I use my countryman skills and just got down to like yo, work wholesale.
coal.
Need ice.
Grandma Senegal shop, ice.
Yes. Follow this. Try to to the top.
Liqueur.
You're supposed to get 2 more of this for DJ.
Oh, what that? Arizona. Girl.
Arizona.
Girl. Are we camping or are we camping? Yep.
If you have enough drugs.
Mm-hmm. You see the cutlass? Don't mess with she, you know. Belly skin and all these things. She not afraid of mosquito. DJ, how did that happen?
I don't know.
Oh God. Alright. There. Mother is here. Are you crying?
It hurts.
And you don't even know, and you don't know how?
It's something over here. Must be the wood that I had to carry
The,
down for decor.
the decoration wood? Wow.
I think it's it.
A question, Deej. Why an X-Acto knife?
Of all things, right?
To bring to camping, why?
For the kilo.
For the kill. So you couldn't bring a regular knife?
I have a regular knife, but it's
Oh,
in the
Jesus.
kitchen.
Sacrifice.
Tonight.
Wow. We've already gone to one. We don't even do nothing yet. We don't drink nothing.
We don't drink nothing. We don't
eat
smoke
nothing.
Nothing no go on yet.
And we already bandaged up 2 people. It's a very big frog. Nope, not gonna work. Mr. Frog? Yeah, move please. A little more. Over, out of the way. Mr. Frog, move no man. I'm seeing more movement. I don't think I'm coming back in the water tonight.
Hobo. It's
Make them
hobo
look
potatoes. Now we need to mix it up and put them in these foil packets.
Prepare by Spliff Dog first.
Prepared by Spliff Dog. And DJ. But more so Spliff Dog, apparently.
My idea.
So this is what? Bacon, potatoes, onion.
and spices.
The party is here.
Where are we putting it, guys? All around?
All around.
Come help me.
As long as it's not by the frogs.
I point it around that it stays. And then put that. So when they enter the magical river.
The magical
I
river.
think that is always the other thing.
So guys, if you weren't able to make it, you missed out on a lot. We have lights, we have food, we have drinks,
We have frogs.
Well, the awesomeness.
we have the awesome.
We have the vibes.
What the hell?
Where is your...
Listen to what I'm saying.
Listen to the girl.
Put up your hand like this.
Mm-hmm.
Put it on your chin. Yeah.
You get it yet? Chin. Where your chin there? Where your chin there?
It's not my chin.
Ah, that should say.
Not your cheek, your chin.
So why would I put that back?
It's just the direction,
exactly.
but you never follow direction because you see me put it on my cheek.
Mm-hmm.
I'm hungry. We're eating potatoes right now.
I wish I had the potatoes not burn up.
Well, Spliff Dog is our head chef
Dog is
currently,
very, very-
and he said
very
that it's not ready
confident.
as yet.
What is Spliff Dog's credentials? I'm just wondering.
Surprise me.
They told us that they came up here with 2 tin of Vienna sausage.
Exactly, and they survived.
But you don't have to cook no Vienna sausage, that's what I'm saying. Caw! Caw! How long it take to forget the 4 things on the list? When I get cold at least? A lot has happened in the last few hours. Did y'all get everything on the list?
So we have Christmas lights.
Yes. Oh.
We're having jinx.
Ooh.
Having jinx.
All right. All right. So I interfere the people them house. Them nice chandelier.
Darling, the condo.
The condo. What them what's in the drinking?
You see?
What's in the drinking?
It's Campari,
And
I
we're
see.
having vodka
and
apple
orange
vodka.
juice. Orange juice is in the fridge around the
Tea.
back in the kitchen.
The fridge. Let me go look. Oh. 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 Let me shine some light from the kitchen. All right. On the living. On the is living.
Very buggish. Very that hitch up. What's that?
Oh, I heard that.
What the hell is that?
I heard it.
Janelle?
Draw the machete.
No, you don't see me. Come on.
Draw the
here.
machete. No, but really, I don't know what it was.
It sound weird. I like how them think. I wonder if it's like it just comes out like a rat batter.
I'm just wondering, what would you be willing to chop? Me just a wonder. Verse. All right, bye. Later. I enjoyed visiting. Bye, girl.
What kind of nature? Mango.
That's what you call mango?
You don't see it?
It's a leaf.
No, there's a blacky mango. Like
That's a mango.
one single mango.
Clouds.
Oh, Jesus.
Wow, look at over there, guys.
Okay.
Focus.
DJ, focus. Damn. DJ, turn it off. We don't need it.
I should find out to switch it off now.
With or without the
When the
flashlight?
serial killer come, you guys gonna need this.
Oh yes.
Shine to his
Because
face.
that's gonna go.
I see you, mom.
I feel like I'm gonna sail it at them, but yeah, shine it.
I
Wow.
see you.
We're walking the
Ooh, girl.
It's alright, man.
We're walking.
Yes, we are both doing the same thing, girl.
Yes. Welcome to the magic land.
So cute.
Yeah, that's
This is a little fairyland.
The commemoration, the crowning. I dub thee our resident unicorn for great valor in non-toxicity and the ultimate climax of sobriety. For being a non-drinker and a non-smoker. You are the poorness of us all, but you shall be crowned our resident unicorn. Ashalamamba! Ashalamamba! Where's the crowd, right? Yes. All rise for the unicorn of the camp!
Yeah.
Cheers! Where's the junker stand?
The junker child.
Oh my god, magic!
I'll fuck you.
No, I'm far.
How much is that one?
Me don't know.
I feel like I'm at my grandpa's. Alright.
Alicia, look out for him.
Can't wait for the sun to hit that water. I want to be a river mama.